Hi health advocates, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss health management and why it has become such an important component into everyday people's lives. First, I wanted to talk to you about why I developed this health management program. I started my career at 18 years old as a back office assistant in a medical practice right after high school, and I've been doing it ever since. Now, as I went to school and went to college and then got my master's degree in healthcare administration, my job titles, of course, changed. But every single job that I did work in the system, one very important component was patient education. So then I was able to amalgamate my career, my education, and my life experience and put that all into one simple tool. So back in 2018, I started to write this program. Now, the first component is Patient Better, a comprehensive guide to self-health management, which is a book that taught people how to manage care more independently. I realize, though, there's not a lot of people that like to do a lot of reading as they're learning to do it on their own, like a how-to. So then I incorporated the Patient Better portal, which is the videos that go along with each article in the book. Then in 2019, what I did is I took in a collaboration of all the worksheets that I did, and I put it into the workbook. Self-manage your way to better care. So then this workbook got published in January 2020. And then at that time, I thought I was all set. So I took my localized business and I started going to the other doctor's offices in Houston and seeing if they were interested. And then by the time March came, well, everything got shut down. So then what I did is I took the opportunity to make this a more robust program. And so there was a couple of tweaks that I needed to do. I was teaching everyday people how to put together their own health manager. So I found a manufacturer and a distributor, and then I private labeled this product here. I chose the color, material that it was made. I private labeled it, and then I put it into the USPTO. So because of the shift and the stay-at-home orders, telemedicine boomed. And then, although the healthcare professionals offered telemedicine, however, patients were not able to adapt to the telemedicine offering as quickly and easily. So then I wrote a book, and this book took me 9 months in order to get it published. And I just published it earlier this year, in January. It's called Patient Better, a remote companion to self-health management. And this is such an important part of self-management now because it teaches patients how to participate in virtual medical office visits that is equivalent to in-person office visits. Why that is important is because everyday people have been putting off their diagnosis. Everyday people, they need help with condition management. And a lot of times, it's not just minor sniffles or light skin rashes. No, it is people that are suffering from heart diagnosis, from Alzheimer's, cancer, these types of things that these folks were not able to leave their houses. And so that's why I wrote this book. And now, with the population being like it is, I'm creating these videos so that everyday people have the opportunity, just like everybody else, to self-manage their care more independently and easily. And that is why and how I wrote the health management program. I would love to hear your thoughts. Go ahead and put them in the comment section below. And this wraps it up for the video for today. And thank you so much. And make sure you stay tuned as we have a telemedicine series video coming out shortly. Thank you all for being the best part of Patient Better. Bye for now.